Hello viewers, welcome to Edubench Lite video tutorial. In this session we are going to see how the software helps us in handling the accounts part of the school. You can deal with all kinds of accounts that are involved in management of school using this software. So we have a tab over here called accounts. Under this you have various options, various functions related to school fees. Some of the functions are related to the expenses that school has, and the same due fees and rest of the stuff related to the accounts. So now let us see what all functions we can do with this software related to accounts of a school. So first click on the accounts tab over here. Under this you can see you have various options like expense type and payments, fee structure setup, student discount, student fees, due fees, parent commitments. In this session we'll be seeing how to establish your school fees using this software, and how one can generate the receipts for school fees when the student or student parents pays the fees. So now let's begin with this. Click on the fee structure setup. If you already have some setup, you can click on the search fee setup and see the setup, what kind of setup you have having for your fee payment. Otherwise you need to click on the add button over here. Click on the add. Now you can see under fee setup, you can find two more options: fee category and one is fee setup. The fee category is for setting up some categories of fees, like your school might be having general fees, your school might be having bus fees, your school might also have term fees. So or what all category of fee you need to maintain in your school, you can do it by using this fee category option over here. So select the fee occurrence from here, like it is a fee that is to be collected monthly, or it is to be collected quarterly or half-yearly or yearly or only once. Like some fees you have like admission forms that is to be collected just once. You can use this option like that. Now I'll be showing you demonstrating for general fees. So click on the monthly option over here. Monthly school fees, like you can even give some name to that. You need to give, as you see that you have asterisk over here. These are compulsory fields that are to be provided with values. Monthly tuition fee, like tuition fee, you can give a name like, you can add. Once you add from here, you can see the related name. Once you select the monthly, under the monthly occurrence you have bus fee right now, which I have already added previously, and tuition fee, which I have just now added and shown to you. So you have two fees under monthly category. Similarly, if you select quarterly occurrence, if I added some kind of fees category that is to be collected quarterly from here, that would be shown here in this scroll bar. So monthly, under monthly I'll be setting fee category name like tuition fee. So as soon as I click tuition fee over here, I'll get all the standards to which it is applicable. If I want to set a particular fee for all the standard, for example rupees 500 for all the standard, rupees 1000 for all the standard, I simply need to enter the value and add it from here. Else if I just need to select different values, I need to unselect it and select just a particular standard to which I need to set a different value, and set the different value from here. So you can either select the fee value for all the standards by ticking this box over here, or you can keep individual fee for individual standards. It's up to you. So now I'll be uh, giving fees to these fees to some, like till second class I am charging rupees 700 for particular student. Okay, and I'll add it like this. Transaction complete successfully. So I have completed the fee structure setup, that is for tuition fee. Similarly, I can also set different kinds of fees from here, like bus fees or else quarter term fee, likewise, or different kind of fee setups for different classes by selecting different standards from here. This is how you set up the fee structure of the student. Now let us see how fees is collected using this software. So click on the student fee from here. As soon as you click on the student fee, you can see some information from here, like particular, you can search the student with respect to his standard, or you can even search the student if you know the name of the student. Otherwise, you simply need to provide enrollment number of the student to search the student. LKG section A. So you can even select it like this. If you need to find the details, you can select it like this, or you simply need to remember the enrollment number and you can search it. Once you click the student details over here, you will find the different kinds of fees the student is applicable. If the student is taking bus services from the school, then this tab will be shown to you, otherwise this tab won't be shown to you. As I have added newly tuition fee to LKG department, the tuition fee tab is being shown to me. Now this girl wants to pay, this girl's parents wants to pay tuition fee, so I'll be clicking on the tuition fee right now. And when I click on the tuition fee, I can see all the fees of all the months from which I hired the student for the present academic year. Like the present academic year is starting from June and it will end till May. So these are all the fees. Uh, the month for which the student wants to pay the fees, I simply need to click on that month and it gets added on this list over here. Suppose if some parents wants to add other fees as well, I mean to say, if they want to add the next month fees as well, if they want to pay it next month fees as well, they simply need to click that month as well. So you can see the parent is gonna pay the fee for June as well as July, and along with this, if the parent wants to pay the fee, bus fee as well, you need to click the bus fee like this. So this is not shown over here because this student has already paid the bus fee. So I have already paid the bus fee in the previously before starting this, so this is not being shown over here. So like this, you can even know for what which months the fees has been paid and which months are pending. If months the months which are pending, for which the fees is being pending, those will be highlighted in black color, and other rest of the months will, as you can see, would be very much blurred over here as shown over here, and you cannot click them, you cannot even select them. So now the parent is gonna pay the bus fee for August, so I simply will be clicking on August and that will be even added, that transaction will be added in the transaction list over here. Now after adding all the fees, I just simply need to click pay if I need if the parent is paying from cash. So select the cash. If the parent is gonna pay from check, I need to select the check and I need to enter the check date. From here I need to select the check date. Payable, I need to enter the information of the bank over here, like ICICI, and the check number, the number that is on the check, I need to enter the check number from here, and I'll simply click on the pay button over here. Otherwise, if it is just a cash, I'll simply click on the cash radio button over here and I'll simply click on the pay. Are you sure you want to proceed? This is the message that is being shown. I'll click on the yes. Once I click on the yes, transaction completed message is shown. I'll click on the OK, and after that, as you see, a print preview message is being generated. Using this, I can simply click on this and take a printout and directly give away to the parents. like this. If I have a printer set up to this, if the printer is already set up, I can simply do that, and I can simply print the message and give it to the parents. So once I click on the pay, I'll get a print copy like this. In the print copy, I'll have all the details like my school details, the email of the person who is generating the bill from the school, his contact number, the student fees, the receipt number, the enrollment number, the class details, fee, and the tuition fee details, like it is being paid for June and July month, bus fees is being paid for August month, and the total amount this month, and generated by admin. I have logged in the software with admin account, so it is being shown admin. And if you want this, if the accountant is having an ID, and if he logs in with his ID and generates a bill, then the message will be like generated by the accountant name whatever on the particular day. So this is how you pay the fee, and this is how you set up your fee structure using this software. That's it for this session. We'll be continuing the rest of the parts of this accounts in the other video. Thank you.